Hello everybody, this is Tim the Poor Artist. I'm going to do an 8x10 today. An experiment with something different, so if I go totally quiet, it's because I'm really thinking about what I'm doing. Because I really didn't, I'd go, oh yeah, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pour along here and explain as I go. So I'm going to use a white, which this is Artist Loft White. Okay. And then I've got my basic acrylic liquid text. This is a fluorescent green. Sorry, fluorescent pink. And then I've got an orange, which is also a basic acrylic by Liquid Text. And then I've got a marine blue that is Craft Smart. It's pretty bright. It's a good color. And then I'm going to use some black activator, and I might even put some other black in it. So like I said, I'm just going to play around here and see what I can come up with. So it's all prepped. It's got tape on the back and the little sunders. Everything's balanced, so I'm ready to go. Yeah, it should be good. Oh, I'm going to start with kind of a fat pillow here in the middle. I think I'll have this side as the bottom. In the middle, I'll put a line. Well, it looks like that white wants to swallow everything, huh? Just about does. And some blue. Okay, now I totally don't even really know what I'm going to do. I kind of have an idea. I want to do a swipe with a twist. I guess you call it. And here's an orange. The orange in between them. And I need to get some little sticks or something for this. And then some black. Well, I'm going to use a black activator. I think I needed more colors. I don't know why. Here it goes. You don't really know what you're going to do until you do it, right? That's kind of what I'm doing right now. All right, let's get something out here. I want to mess with some activators on this. In fact, I'm not going to use that big one. I'm going to use this little guy. So I'm going to do this. Well, how do you say if it's different? If you're still doing a swipe, is it different? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, that is my black act. Probably be a flop. I don't have an idea. Maybe it was. Okay. Looks like it's going to work. Whether I like it or not. Okay, so I'll put some more on here. Looks like it's working. That was scary. I didn't know I got two colors mixed up, and that's not right. Got one of those memory syndrome things going on in my head. Okay, we're going to go this way. Now, this is not activator. This is just the straight pink. But something had some activator in it. That's okay. Let's take a little orange. Now, all of these are mixed with glue and water. So I might get some freaky looking little bit of a surprise. Now, I'm not looking for cells with these strokes. So if they're coming up on their own. And I don't know why. Shouldn't be there, but they're there, and I think it looks really cool so far. So we're gonna just kind of go with this theme and see what happens, huh? It's something completely different. Okay, I'm thinking. I'm going to go this way since there's still a lot of room there. And I'm going to take it down here with a black, but I want to put some more colors in there. Okay, this is where I needed to just use my bottle, not use my... I just ruined that. But we'll see what happens. We can probably save it. Gotta make sure we get some good strong cells out of this. Now this video is probably gonna be long now. I think I need to go like this. Turn it around. And do that. give it a little spin. Okay, we're flinging. Well, now, didn't really fly too far, but still got something to work with here. Want to follow that line right off the edge. I think you can probably see already what I'm going to do, right? Alright, let's see what we get here. Don't want too much, just enough to create some cells. Alrighty, let's see if I can do this right from what I got cornered into my mind. I don't know if that's gonna do it. Oop, there it comes. There it comes. A little heat on her. Oh, look at the bubbles pop. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we're gonna need some more of this white. I can see that already over here. There. Around the edges. Okay, there's some more right there because I'm going to spin this again. I want to get more of it out there. I think it'll open up. So let's pull that off of there. That is different. I want to do something I can paint on it, do some, I don't know, design of some sort. I don't know. I'm wanting to do that for a while. Playing around. Hanging it up. Well, not what I had pictured, but it's still pretty. It's really nice. that a dry spot or is that a white spot? Yeah, I didn't put my gloves on again today. I said I was going to do that. So this is interesting. I like the blue and white. Alrighty, folks. Bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here we go, guys. It's gorgeous. Wow. Looks good. I think we'll get some more cells right there out of the middle. They're kind of forming. We'll see. Kind of got messed up on my activator, but hey, it worked out, right? Of course it did. Ooh, these are just gorgeous right there. That is awesome. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, give me a comment below. Share this video, folks, okay? Really helps me out. God bless you.